Hi everyone. This is topic one of A-level physics, physical quantities, and in this video we're going to encompass the whole chapter. So let's start. The first module is quantities. So the first thing you need to know about quantities is that they consist of two units, right? There's a magnitude and there's a unit for every quantity, right? Any quantity you're going to be writing will have both of these things, right? So let's take an example. An example would be the speed, right? A speed of a car, for example. So the speed is like you are driving a car and the speed is 20 kilometer per hour. So here the 20 becomes the magnitude of the quantity, and kilometer per hour describes the unit. So similarly, if there, for example, you are considering density of something, so M and V, for example, it has a density of 100 gram per cm cube. So 100 is the magnitude and gram per centimeter cube is the unit. So that's all you need to know about this one, right? Yeah, just distinguish what is the magnitude. So the numerical value is always the magnitude, and the unit is always in an SI base unit, and we will go through it soon. So the next thing you're gonna want to know about is making estimates about what the quantity actually is, right? So let's take an example here where V is 20 meter per second, for example. So you obviously know that this V stands for velocity, right? Another example would be V is equal to 100 cm cube. And in this case, this V is the volume. And in another case, the V can also be voltage, right? So 10V, and the unit would be volts. Actually, I shouldn't say voltage, it's potential difference, PD. So as you go along your syllabus and you come across a lot of formulas and values, you're going to want to know about what these V's and, for example, A's, and A can be ampere current or A can be area, right? This can stand for multiple things, and you will know about, you will actually realize this with the context of the question, but it's in your syllabus, so I'm going through it. So you actually have an idea about estimations, right? So this is it for the first module, and we'll now move on to the second module.